Hello OG, I am Cody Lumbang. Welcome to our vacation home here in Pampanga. Welcome to Obra Maestro. Here in Obra Maestro, we have our 32 square meters pool in front of our lounge. And as you can see here, we have a open area that we can use it for events, birthday, weddings. This area is around 800 square meters na pwede nyong gamitin. And then, dito sa area na to is our favorite spot with my family, the gazebo area. So, this is my family. As you can see, my 3 kids and wife. And then, dun sa area na yon, yung sa likod, it's a coffee area na nakapalibot yung mga indoor plants na makakapag-relax kayo while having coffee. This property, na-acquire namin to way back 15 years ago. So, nabili namin, na lot pa lang siya, na sobrang mura, around 300,000. So, at first, hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin sa lot. So, for 15 years, ano lang to, yung more on parang farm na taniman ng palay. And then after that, so it was a dream na gusto mong maging totoo. So plan namin talaga na magpagawa ng bahay. So gusto namin yung resort feels na bahay na nakaka-relax. Tapos yung mako-combine mo yung modern house sa nature.
Well, I would like to commend my husband kasi talagang napaka family-oriented niya during the time kahit kami pa lang. I am very happy that I am with a perfect husband as well. So, thank you, babe.
Hello, so nandito na tayo sa lounge area. As you can see, makikita nyo yung front lounge is gawa sa glass. So, para makita yung natural light na pumasok dito at makita yung beauty ng lounge. And then dito, it will welcome you. So, mahilig kasi kami sa plants and then accent of wood ng console table. So, dito sa area na to, makikita nyo yung wall cladding design with clear glass na inspired dun sa isang feature video ni OG, yung modern tropical house. And then, pag pupunta ka dito sa side ng sala, yung mga sala set, makikita nyo yung architectural design ng cousin ko na painting. And then, dito naman, makikita nyo yung mga wood design na gawa sa Dutong Betis. So, dito sa Pampanga, pag sinabing Dutong Betis, ito yung mga gumagawa ng furniture, quality furniture. So, this one is a Nara wood. And then, this one, I think, mahogany na may soliya para magkaroon ng resort feels pag nakaupo ka dito. Okay, so dito sa part na to, kung makikita niyo yung ceiling design, it's a modern design na minimalist na fusion ng gray and then white. And then itong mga modern Nordic lamp, we bought this online. So very yung design niya very suitable dito sa place. And then here makikita niyo yung videoke. So while having family bonding, makakapag-videoke ka dito. And then may wall cladding din siya na kinombine sa quartz material. So yun yung parang design ng house. Tapos pag nasa loob ka, makikita mo yung mga dining set, sala set na wood talaga sila. Tapos nagkakaroon ng cozy feel, tsaka yung nare-relax yung mind mo. This is the bar area. As you can see, meron mga wine dito, collection of wines, and mga whiskey and brandy. Kasi yung family namin, occasional drinker kami. So, we're fond of drinking champagne, wine, and brandy. Tapos, this one is made of granite. Para minimalist yung design. It's a granite white. And then, dito naman yung design is subway tiles na meron siyang hidden cove light na warm. So, para at least cozy yung dating pag nandito ka. Isa sa mga favorite spot ko dito sa lounge is yung dining area. So, we have here a dining table na gawa sa acacia. And then, makikita mo sa background na meron siyang 2 indoor plant na may console table. So, pag nagko-coffee kami dito ng mga kids and my wife, very relaxing and stress-free kasi you can see the view of the pool and the garden. So, that's all for the lounge. And then, sa labas, merong outdoor kitchen. Itutour ko kayo. Let's go! So, ito yung outdoor kitchen namin. It's a open area. So, nandito yung sink, and then this material is made of granite. And then, merong induction cooker dito. So, yan, you can have coffee here. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, dito sa side na to, nandito yung abstract design na binigay sa amin ng RM Woodworks. So, sayang, hindi namin nahihabol na ma-mount dun sa dining area. So, this is inspired by different kind of woods na lalagyan sana ng light dito para magkaroon ng cozy feels while having dinner. Lagi kaming nanonood ng OG channel. So, yun talaga yung isa sa mga inspiration namin. So, nakikita namin doon yung mga house na magaganda yung design, na very relaxing rest house, retirement house, and especially yung story na fini-feature sa OG na nakaka-inspire sila ng ibang people. So, I think isa na kami doon na couple na na-inspire doon na yun nga, yung nag-trigger na magpagawa na kami kasi very exciting talaga eh. Pag napapanood mo yung na-feature sa OG. Dito yung outdoor stairs papunta sa bedrooms. Dito magkakaroon ka ng ibang view ng house. So, dito namin nilagay yung mga other plants para bago ka pumunta sa taas, meron siyang relaxing view. And then doon, para makita mo yung view ng mga mountains pag paakyat ka. So, let's go! Ito yung balcony area na makikita nyo yung napakagandang view ng garden. So, more on green ang makikita mo dito at very relaxing pag nandito ka sa balcony. So, meron tayong tempered glass material dito and kinumbine ng stainless frame na railing. And then, dito sa side na to, makikita nyo yung cladding design na para magkaroon siya ng tropical vibe resort siya. So, yun ang design nitong balcony area. And then, pasok tayo dito sa bedroom number 1. Ito yung bunk bed. Capacity nito is up to 12 people. So, meron din siyang 2 pull-out sa baba. So, as you can see, this is made of mahogany wood. And then, this is DIY lang na ako yung nag-varnish nito. And then, makikita nyo rin sa left side yung console table na DIY ko rin para magkaroon talaga siya ng mga wood combination ng minimalist design ng room. And then, dito naman yung bathroom. So, yung unique feature ng bathroom, meron siyang mahogany na wood dun sa ilalim ng lavatory niya. And then, yung mirror, meron siya yung tinatawag na digital touch screen na pag nandun ka, magla-light yung likod ng mirror. And then, yung accent niya, meron siyang brown accent na tile sa middle. And then, yung fixture niya sa loob, dun sa shower area, na makikita mo yung glass fixture. So, and then yung tiles niya, it's more on modern tiles na gray. This is bedroom number 2. We have 2 double bed na dito sa room na to. And then, sa isang double bed, meron siyang isang pull-out bed. So, ang total capacity nito is around 6 people na pwedeng matulog. And then, dito sa side na to, makikita niyo yung, again, DIY na console table na mahogany wood. And then, yung wife ko, binili niya to, ang painting na to. So, I don't know kung anong klaseng painting to. Also, itong mga designs na to. And then, sa ceiling naman, makikita niyo yung tricolor lamp namin. So, we bought this online for a much cheaper price compared dun sa physical store na nasa area. So, around less 50% itong Nordic lamp na to na tricolor na siya. Meron siyang daylight, warm light, and then yung in-between niya. Sa side nito, meron full body mirror na makikita niyo yung design niya made of different kinds of solid wood na mahogany, nara. So, dito magkakaroon ka ng me time para makita mo yung sarili mo while having your stuff. And then, on this side, we have the same concept and design dito sa bathroom number 2. Same lang siya dun sa bedroom number 1. So, yung lot na to, it's 1,000 square meters. And then, yung house is around 150 to 160 square meters.
The total construction cost of this house without the lot is 4.5 million. With appliances and furnitures, the total cost is 5.5 million.
I think ang ma-advise ko dun sa mga gustong mag-build ng kanilang dream house, syempre, i-consider mo at first yung pag-acquire ng lot. So, dun talaga lahat mag-start. And then, after that, siguro yung magkaroon ka ng concept, kung ano yung concept ng bahay, ano yung theme, ano yung vibes, tapos ano yung pinaka-design. And then yung last, syempre, kukuha ka ng reliable construction firm kung may kakilala kang architect or engineer na talagang mabibuild niya yung quality na gusto mo. So, I think yung 3 na yun ang pinaka-importante para sa pagbibuild ng isang dream house. So, that's for the house tour. Sana na-inspire namin kayo sa story namin how we build this house. You just have to believe, dream, and work hard. That's the secret of our success. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you, OG!
If you have an interesting or inspiring story that you want to share, email us at stories.onlygood@gmail.com. At para wala kayong ma-miss na video ng OG channel, subscribe na and hit the notification bell to get updates on our latest episodes.